Christmas is all about.
So, good morning everyone. Today it's Vlogmas day 22. So that is like super exciting. Yeah, I can't believe it's like been like pretty much every day that I've vlogged. Wow, I'm like really surprised, I guess. Yeah, so I just finished up getting ready because we're about to go to Ikea and I love vlogging there, so it'll be worth the wait. I'm excited, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, let's go. So I ended up changing into my Aeropostale shirt, so yes. I'm about to leave soon. Ikea! We're back and better than ever. I haven't been here in like 2.5 years. Comment down below if you also love Ikea. The smile. What are you doing? Do the Pixar thing. Yeah, that's fun. It's Charity's favorite lamp. Charity, do you want to give a tour of your new house? That's your lazy Susan. That's your lazy Susan. I want it. This is our new apartment, so yeah. Enjoy our house tour. This is my stove where I cook lots of keto meals.
Look.
That's so creative.
I need it. I'm making.
No, it's yours, remember?
Oh, right.
Because we moved.
Look.
That's so cute. That's a cool table. It's like attached to the wall. Oops. Yeah, would you?
Hey, y'all.
That's a cute bed. Hi, what are you selling?
Nothing.
Are you enjoying your time at Ikea? A little too much. She just wants to take a nap. Update, we found a lot of stuff. She got her bed. Are you excited? Charity. Okay, whatever. She's focused. Clearance time. So I'm obviously back from Ikea and I didn't get anything for myself, but I did end up getting a hot dog because I was hungry. So I had a lot of fun going to Ikea and everything, so that was super exciting to do. with my mom and sister. So yeah, now I'm most likely going to edit some videos and do some more YouTube work because I haven't really done that today and I have today off, so I'm gonna do that and work on YouTube and everything and try and figure out how to turn on my TV. So yeah, stay tuned. So I edited, or I'm working on editing this what is it called, an end screen for my channel, because I really want to like up my channel and everything and like make it more professional, I guess you could say. So that's what I'm working on doing. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna have dinner soon. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Gonna do that, edit my end screen, everything like that. Gonna finish editing this next Vlogmas video for you guys, and yeah. So update, this is what I've came up with so far, and I really am enjoying it. Stay tuned. So update, I just finished editing the thumbnail for this next vlog, and yeah, I'm almost done editing this video. Super excited, so yeah, can't wait. In the meantime, go watch all of these Vlogmas videos. Can't wait for you to see them. Yes, let's go. So update, guys, I am currently ranking in search right now on Vlogmas days 6 through 7, so if you go search that, I'm ranking in search. I'm kind of crying about that. I'm like so beyond happy. Like, look at this. Your girl is ranking in search. Like, I took years to get here. Like, I'm so proud. I'm like beating these people who have like thousands of views. You guys really need to go watch all my videos and help me gain more views. Anyways, like I was saying, I gained I got ranked in search, and like I am beyond happy. Guys, you have no idea. I've been praying for this for years. I've been on YouTube for a lot longer than a lot of these people that are like buying subscribers, apparently. I don't know. It's whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. What else? Yeah, so I got another copyright claim. I have no idea why, because I'm using songs that I used last year that I didn't get copyrighted for. So I'm trying to figure this out, and if my intro changes again, I have to, it's because of these stupid copyright claims that I keep getting, and it's honestly ridiculous to me because I used it last year and I didn't have any issues with it, and yeah, so there's that. And I don't need any more copyright claims. So obviously on my vlog here, because I'm gonna go to bed now because I need to go to bed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe if you're new. Bye guys, see you guys in the next Vlogmas video.